So I am selecting this image and then click here, and first of all you will manage your background like this, then you will click here and click on adjustment and increase some brightness. If your photo's brightness is low, you will increase and decrease your brightness. Then click on contrast, increase some contrast level for photo smoothness. Then click on brightness, saturation, so like this. Then click on temperature, and temperature will be change your photos color, background color, your face color. And last step is hue. Hue is a best filter to make your photo green, yellow, red, blue, all colors. So you can select all colors according to your photos, according to your choice. So friends, then click on filter. Filter is a best filter in KineMaster, so you can easily make your photo beautiful from filter and decrease some brightness level of this. And there are many filters in this filter setting. You can apply one by one and you can try one of the best for your photo. So please try all these filters, and which will be better for your photo, please choose and select and make your photo beautiful. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and please let's see you next video. Tata, bye.